All right, so I know we are all trying to find books for our students that they can access on their iPads, and I'm super excited to find that there are some great trade books available on Raz Plus, so our kindergarten and first grade students would have access to this. What I did is, thankfully, Mrs. Shelton at Noble Crossing let me log into her account to try this out. But I searched for realistic fiction, and there may be more books, but you can just type into this search resources box and type in like Junie B. Jones. And it will pull up the Junie B. Jones books that are possible. And then what you can do is you can say go to book, and then you can assign that directly to your students right there, or you can add it to a folder. And so what I did is I added it to the realistic fiction folder and then did add resource. So then what I did, which is cool, is we can share these resources throughout the district, which I was just trying to mess with and see how it works. So you can see on the left-hand side, I clicked on the file cabinet up at the top here. And then on the left-hand side, it says My Files. So this is Jen's account, so realistic fiction. And then you can see shared files, literacy curriculum, math. So I'm in Jen's files right now, and you can see that she has two folders. What I did is I shared this folder with the district by clicking on these little lines here, the hamburger, and I did share. And then I chose shared with district. So when all the other teachers at Noblesville schools go in, I believe you would click on the shared files. You would click on Noblesville School District, and you would see Jen's folder that is realistic fiction. So when we open the realistic fiction folder, you'll see that I added all of the titles that I could find that were realistic fiction, and then you can choose to assign that to your students. So I believe you'd have to make a copy of it, and I have not figured that out yet, but pretty exciting. There's some good trade books available on Raz for our students.